how to withdraw Sweatcoin to Fampay. I'm going to explain how this works. In order to do this, you will need to have the Sweat Wallet app installed and also a sufficient balance on it. Now, if you have the Sweat Wallet app, you want to click on Send, then select Sweat, and you want to use a crypto exchange wallet which supports Sweat. For example, here we can do Binance. So you just want to go to the Binance app or whichever wallet you use, and you want to click on Receive. It's going to give you a wallet address which you will then put here, and you want to convert over your Sweatcoin to your Binance wallet. And from there, as long as your Binance wallet supports Fampay, then you can convert or exchange the Sweatcoin for money and withdraw it over to Fampay. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.